और आईडीएफसी फर्स्ट बैंक रणजी ट्रॉफी 2024-25 का यहां मुकाबला पंजाब और उत्तर प्रदेश के बीच। टॉस जीत के पहले गेंदबाजी करने का निर्णय लिया है और ये हैं वो दोनों टीमें।
Nicely worked away. Played inside edge. He's proved us wrong completely.
Whoa, he's poked with one. Oh, that's taken now. Again, loose, way outside of stump. And how much focus is there on technique? Now that one was superb technique.
विकेट्स लेना आसान होगा। कमाल का शॉट खेल दिया है, हल्का सा हाथ खोलने का मौका और उसका भरपूर फायदा उठाया पुखराज ने। रन जाएंगे यहां पर और वो भी 4 रन के रूप में।
Oh, is a little bat. Yep, it's been given.
Catches the call, but it's slashed and slashed very hard.
Oh, beautifully bowled. Oh, yes, came back with the arm. Oh, that's nicely played. Drifted down the leg side. Used his wrist beautifully. And gets a boundary. Wonderful shot by Pukhraj. Nicely played. Off the back foot. Punch through. Point for 4. नजदीकी मामला। बिल्कुल प्लम एलबीडब्ल्यू। पुखराज मान जो अभी तक अच्छा खेल रहे थे।
Hardy outside edge, up goes the finger. Catches the call and he's been taken. A full-length delivery, he was in no position. His weight was on the back leg. Another one. This time a lot straighter. Couple of bounces.
यही हम बात कर रहे थे।
Oh, that's a mighty blow. No chance for the mid-on fielder.
बेहतरीन कवर ड्राइव, कोई मौका नहीं, 4 रन। बड़ा हिट। आसानी से और अपना अर्धशतक पूरा किया सनवीर ने। 5 साल के बाद उनका ये शतक आया, अर्धशतक आया है और क्या मौका।
Fielder is there and he's taken that catch. That brings about the end to the innings.
Beautiful. Straying onto the pads, waiting for this one. Yeah, streaky.
बेहतरीन गेंदबाजी और इसी की हम चर्चा कर रहे थे। पहले विकेट का पतन।
Oh, well bowled again. Really well bowled.
And you can add 4 more to that.
शॉर्ट लेंथ बॉल हवा में और इसी के साथ सफलता मिलती हुई।
Another very good shot. Led away nicely, good timing. It's gone hard, is it? And he will get good results in the end. Just a little bit of width. Gets to his 50. Madhav Kaushik.
And the real good ones are above 50. That's a beautiful shot. Whoa!
Oh, he's pierced the gap. And he's reached his half century in a fantastic manner.
Oh, mighty close! Mighty close! Yep. Up in the air, mid-on has a chance. Hey, oh! As he dropped him!
Oh, नीचे है, लेकिन कहते हैं लक फेवर्स द ब्रेव। बल्ले के बीच से आए, बल्ले के किनारे से आए या बल्ले के नीचे से।
रन जाएंगे यहाँ पर।
Run the first one hard, and he will get his second run. What a glorious 100 from Madhav Kaushik. It's been fantastic to watch. Sukhwinder has put in the dive. That's 4.
हवा में, लेकिन गैप बढ़िया ढंग से ढूंढा था यहां।
This time you have to just go and fetch it back. There was a chance earlier on. Gorgeous. Stunning shot.
Just wide a gully. Very fortunate again. Close to the body, but still manages.
Little swing, but it's a half volley. And that's his 50.
लाजवाब शॉट।
And you connect it well, it goes for 6.
That'll also go for 4. A little streaky. 150 for Madhav Kaushik.
बाहरी किनारा।
Beautifully timed.
जबरदस्त शॉट। मिसफील्डिंग।
That's the wicket.
Catches the call. He's well wide of the fielder and it's run away to the boundary.
हवा में, फील्डर वहां पर मौजूद, नीचे और एक आसान सा कैच।
Didn't reach the pitch of the ball, but he's gone through with the shot.
Experienced people and 5 who are playing for the first time. This will go all the way. Then Saurashtra were also in trouble. Parth Booth came in and got 100 at number 8 and won them the game.
अच्छा स्वीप शॉट है।
Well, that's a cracking shot. Will it go all the way? It certainly will. That's gone all the way. That's a massive hit. And that is his 50. What a cricketer Saurabh is.
रन जाएंगे यहाँ पर, और वो भी 4 रन। ओ नजदीकी मामला, नजदीकी मामला। बैक ऑफ द हैंड, यहां पर धीमी गति से गेंद डाल दी, चकमा खा गए शिवम मावी। ये शॉट कड़कदार, आवाज कितनी बेहतरीन।
खेलना कहीं जाते थे, गेंद कहीं गई।
Full toss, looking for the Yorker, doesn't get it right. And it's taken in the deep. Another googly. Even the drop catch was of a googly. More runs.
Oh, is he gone this time? Is he gone? I think he has.
Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Four.
Oh, Apesh, uppercut.
तो इसलिए चाय को 30 मिनट और पीछे धकेल दिया गया है और ये गेंद बाउंड्री तक भी पहुंचेगी। ये शॉट बढ़िया है, पूरी ताकत झोंक दी है शिवम ने।
Straight down the ground this time. $50. What a knock it's turned out to be. Looks like they have declared with 346 runs lead.
रन जाएंगे, वो भी बेहतरीन चौके के रूप में।
That's nicely played, beautifully played. A boundary. Just nicely played, beautifully played, timed it to perfection. Another boundary to Jaskaranveer.
ये देखिए, चारों खाने चित कर दिया यहां।
Beautifully played, drifted down the leg side. Good use of his wrists. No chance for the fielder.
Short ball not going to work. Well in control and beautifully timed. Good balance this time.
Beautiful shot.
हवा में बॉल और इसी के साथ निराश, हताश, अनमोल प्रीत।
Goes on with the angle, finds the outside edge.
That is a gorgeous looking shot.
ये तो कमाल का शॉट है, ऊपर डाली और उसका भरपूर फायदा उठाते हुए पुखराज।
That's an important half century. Very well played, Jaskaranveer. That will race to the fence and it will bring up his half century.
लवली शॉट, बेहतरीन शॉट, कदमों का इस्तेमाल और इसी के लिए पुखराज मान जाने भी जाते। बेहतरीन शॉट, इसी के लिए वो जाने जाते हैं। करारा प्रहार कवर के ऊपर से।
The last ball before lunch.
What a shot. Beautifully driven, nicely driven for another boundary to Pukhrajma.
It's gone through.
बेहतरीन, अच्छी गेंदबाजी, लेकिन
That is the 100. A very, very good knock under pressure. This is how you turn the corner.
Oh, there he goes. There, he picks up his wicket. He could have picked both of them.
In the gap. And very well timed, and the new ball flies to the boundary very quickly. 249 for 3.
267 for 3, and it's time for drinks. Thank you. Yeah, finally the handshake. This was bound to happen just the way that Punjab batted in the second innings. This is just a matter of time. In fact, this could have happened a little earlier as well.
तो आखिरकार दोनों टीमों ने फैसला किया कि हाथ मिलाने में ही भलाई है, क्योंकि कोई नतीजा आने की कोई संभावना नजर आ नहीं रही थी।
This is the match summary. Punjab put into bat 210, UP 556 for 9. Punjab saving the game 267 for 3. UP takes the first innings lead. They get 3 points. Punjab has only 1 point to show from this game.